I am Bonnie Cha, Senior Editor at cnet.com, and today we are taking a first look at the HTC Touch Diamond2. This Windows Mobile smartphone first debuted at GSMA 2009, and it's not available in the US just yet, but we got our hands on a European model, so I thought I'd give you a preview of what to expect. First, the device has a very sleek design. It's just a bit bigger and heavier than its predecessor, the HTC Touch Diamond, but I actually like the styling better on this one. It's very elegant and has this nice brushed metal face. The back is just a flat plastic without the soft touch finish or geometric shape, which is okay, but I do like having the soft touch finish on the back. The smartphone screen is the real attention grabber though. It's larger than the first model and also has a sharper resolution, so text and images really popped on the screen. HTC also made some tweaks to the user interface. For example, you can rearrange and remove your tabs on the home screen. And also bringing up the start menu now gives you a grid view of all your programs and apps, and you can add favorites for easy one-touch access. Also below the display, there's a touch-sensitive zoom bar that lets you zoom in and out of web pages, documents, emails, and photos. They're all subtle changes, but it makes the device definitely easier to use. The only thing I wasn't thrilled about was the on-screen keyboard. Provides haptic feedback when you touch the buttons, but I thought the layout was cramped, even in landscape mode, so there are a lot of mistakes in my messages. As far as features, the Touch Diamond 2 is still running Windows Mobile 6.1, but HTC said it will offer upgrades to Windows Mobile 6.5 when that's available. Smartphone also has integrated Wi-Fi, GPS, and Bluetooth, but since this is the European model, there's no support for our 3G bands. Hopefully this is something they'll add when we finally get it in the US. You do get a better camera though at 5 megapixels, and it took excellent photos. I was also impressed with the general performance of the device. It's just really responsive and snappy and better than a lot of Windows Mobile smartphones I've tested. The one area that could use improvement though is call quality. I thought the audio sounded a little hollow and there's some background noise, but I was still able to carry on conversations. As far as availability, we're not sure when the smartphone is going to be available here in the US or with which carrier, but we'll definitely keep you posted, of course. You can buy the HTC Touch Diamond 2 now unlocked for $600, but for that money, I'd want the 3G, so I'd recommend waiting. I'm Bonnie Cha. This has been your first look at the HTC Touch Diamond 2.